Welcome in this quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to transfer files from USB to laptop or PC. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now prepare your flash drive, plug it into any of the USB ports on your laptop or computer. If your computer or laptop supports the 3.0 USB port, well, go ahead and use that. It usually got the blue USB port, right? So for faster transfer. Now, once that's all checked, go ahead and check your flash drive right here. If it's read it, okay? If it's here, go ahead and click on it to open up the flash drive. Once done, go ahead and select the file that you wanted to transfer. For example, there's a PowerPoint presentation. You can just easily drag and drop it to your desktop. Or if you want to select multiple but not all, click on one option. Now hold Control or CMD key on your keyboard. Then select another one as well. Drag and drop. All right. Now, if you want to select all, just press Control plus A, just like so, and drag and drop it. That's how simple it is to transfer files from USB to a laptop or PC. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.